Typically, when the PPI increases, the CPI will increase as well. That being said, it has a positive correlation when we talk about the impact of reciprocal tariffs being imposed by the US government and the other way around. Especially what's going on right now, the abrupt increase in the trade war tension across global economies. Now, why is it positively correlated in relation to the tariffs? Well, because higher tariffs when being, imposed by the US government, by China, or across global economies, the cost of imports, the cost of raw materials, the cost of human labor, and the overall cost of business, doing business in that particular country will be more expensive. So it will directly impact, the local prices on the goods, services, and the overall, market prices on that particular country. Now, should we panic? I do believe that there are two sides, of the coin, which is the economic side of it and the investors, traders' point of view on it. Okay, and how would we capitalize on it? So the economics perspective, right, is I do believe that we should really know, we should study what are the services, what are the products that will going to import and export. So we have to capitalize on our strengths, especially, we can capitalize because the Philippines has, the second lowest tariff being imposed by the US government on us. Now, a lot of investors, a lot of businessmen, can do business here more efficiently and more cheaper. So we can take an advantage on that, no? So, and another thing would be, we could be more efficient when it comes to more imports or more exports. It really depends on that particular product, services, or industry that we can capitalize on. Now, the traders and investors perspective is actually to hedge. It's actually to strategize what are the asset classes, what are the impacts on our, investments, on our portfolios, right? So you should recalibrate or rebalance your portfolio if needed or as needed, right? So we can check or we can see the viability of our portfolio in this particular times, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, especially in the geopolitical and the trade war as well. So yeah, that's my advice to you, is actually to know the correlations, to know how to strategize to rebalance your portfolio and actually to adjust your portfolio and your strategies, right? So that's why we don't need to panic a lot. It really depends on that particular sectors and industry that will have a more level or higher significance of impact. No, it really depends on that particular country or industry. But what I am saying about is that we can capitalize, we can strategize instead of focusing on the negativities happening on the local and global market scale, right? We could see an opportunity, not only one opportunity, but a lot of opportunities in the market right now. Okay, so I hope it's more enlightened. It enlightens you a lot, guys. And follow for more contents like this, especially about trading, about investing, about personal finance, about economics, and we could help a lot more Filipinos to be more knowledgeable, to be more educated in financial life.